When patients come in and they may have a concern about their eyes, my approach is to always let the patient tell me their story first, and then I'll ask questions to find out further details about what's been going on, how long it's been going on, how it's affecting their daily life, and most importantly, how it's affecting their vision. So I always think about this person being one of my family members or close friends and how I would talk to one of those folks, and that usually works really well in terms of establishing a good bond with the patient and letting them feel comfortable and able to talk to me about their concerns. I'm Dr. Morgan Godin, and I'm the ophthalmologist at Colorado Mountain Medical. A very common question is, what is the difference between optometry and ophthalmology? Optometrists are medical doctors of the eye, whereas ophthalmologists are surgical doctors of the eye. Optometrists do many routine eye exams and fit contacts and glasses, and then they refer patients to ophthalmologists if they have a complex medical issue or a surgical issue. Patients can come to me for appointments in several ways. They can either be referred by their primary care provider, by an emergency room provider, or by an optometrist. Patients can also call and book an appointment directly with me if they're concerned that they have a surgical issue with their eye, if they've had a trauma, or if they have a complex medical issue that they're concerned about. The story of how I came from the East Coast out to Colorado is that my husband and I met when I was a medical student and he was a resident in North Carolina at Duke University, and he was a fellow out at the Stedman Clinic several years back, and then during my fellowship year when I was actually in Minnesota, they asked him to return to come on faculty at Stedman Clinic, which was his dream job. So we rerouted and came out to Colorado and haven't looked back. When we arrived here, I realized that there was a great need for more ophthalmologic care here in this valley. So I approached Colorado Mountain Medical to see if that was something that we could arrange and provide to patients here. Eye health is so important to all the activities that people enjoy doing in this valley, and living at altitude puts an extra strain on our eyes. So I'm so happy that I'm here and able to help people with their eyes and vision and keep them doing all the things that they love to do.